Spice on the Rocks 2021. And today, let's make a spicy margarita. Welcome back, everyone. I'm Gabriel Morales, and on this channel we drink and create memories together. Today we're making a spicy margarita. Before we make the drink, quick shout out to my friends that created this cocktail challenge. Vino from 60 Second Cocktails, Rob from Rob's Home Bar, and David Edwards from Booze on the Rocks joined together for another cocktail challenge. The rules are simple. Just make a spicy cocktail and also add the hashtag Spice on the Rocks 2021. I'll leave the hashtag above the title. If you click on that hashtag, it'll take you to all the submissions by all the YouTube bartenders and community that have been making spicy cocktails. A lot of people love spicy margaritas. It's a huge trend. Most bars have at least one spicy drink on their menu. So we're gonna approach a very simple way of making a spicy margarita, but making it a slightly my way. Without further ado, let's get behind the stick and make a spicy margarita. Before we make the drink, let's juice some cucumbers. If you don't want to juice cucumbers, that's fine, you can muddle it. But I highly recommend you juice it. I say this because the cucumber juice plays an important role in the recipe of this drink. Now we're ready to build the drink. Grab your shaker and jiggers and pour 3/4 ounce or 22.5 mils of freshly squeezed lime juice. Then, you're gonna add half an ounce or 15 mils of Jalapeño Agave Syrup. A quick note about spice in cocktails. There's different ways to get spice into a cocktail. I chose to make this syrup because I wanted some pepper taste in this cocktail. I didn't necessarily only wanted to add heat. But if you only want to add heat, I recommend you to infuse your tequila or even making a tincture with peppers. Now that being said, it's green juice time. Add 1 ounce or 30 mils of fresh cucumber juice. As for the booze, first add half an ounce or 15 mils of Del Maguey Vida Mezcal. This organic single village mezcal is produced in San Luis del Rio in Oaxaca. The end product is 42% ABV, which is less proof in comparison to other mezcals, making it very pleasant to the palate. You get smoke, hints of honey, some fruit, with a long, soft finish. Then, let's add some tequila. I'm using Tequila Blanco. This 100% agave tequila made in the highlands. It has a nice pepper quality to it that will blend very well with the rest of our ingredients. Pour 1.5 ounces or 45 mils. Then grab a chilled double rocks glass, add ice to your shaker, and before you add ice to your glass, coat half of the rim of the glass with salt. Quick tip, if your glass is nice and chilled, you won't need any lime in order to coat the rim of your glass. Then add a large cube of ice to your glass and give this a good hard shake for about 15 seconds or so. Once done shaking, double stirring your cocktail into your chilled double rocks glass. And try not to make a mess like I did here. As for garnish, I'm gonna go ahead and use a nice slice of cucumber. And there you have it, a green, juicy, spicy margarita. Time to taste a spicy margarita. This is actually very refreshing, very, very tasty. I'm quite surprised that it's not as spicy. I tasted the Jalapeño Agave Syrup that I made, and it was super spicy, so I was a little bit afraid that it was going to be way too spicy. But I think it's because of the fresh cucumber. The fresh cucumber, it's actually toning down that spice a little bit, and you're getting a long finish of that refreshing cucumber. Has a little bit of smoke to it because of the mezcal, not overpowering as well. I think the mezcal and the jalapeno and just the green vegetal notes are working very well with the tequila. Highland tequilas tend to have a little bit more pepper, agave, and like green vegetal notes, which works with the rest of the ingredients. I think I'm pretty surprised of how balanced this turned out. I'm very pleased with it. Make sure you check out that hashtag Spice on the Rocks 2021. Thank you, Vino, Rob, and David for creating this awesome challenge and bringing the YouTube community together. I'm very excited to kick off 2021 in a right way and keeping making content with all of you guys in one way or another. I forgot my train of thought. Let's get behind this. Whoa. Before we get behind the stick. But yeah, that's going to be it for me. If you haven't already, please make sure to like and subscribe. Share with friends. And yeah, I'll see you all on the next one. Cheers.